usually coldness that, attack straight to the bones, but this is the heat waves. It's so hot. But then I read a news in Europe. Ooh. In Europe, especially in France, fucking France. It's like 111 Fahrenheit, which is, I don't know, in Celsius. Fuck. So yeah, that must be sucks. They even have to shut down during daytime for the Eiffel Tower. I mean, who still go there? I never been to Eiffel Tower, but I don't think I want to go there ever. Cause like I've seen it too much on online, growing up. Now that I'm an adult, like just like bored. What's under the shirt? Hey, my skin. Why can't we support and enjoy Messi and Ronaldo's last game? Well, I support Messi. Here's the thing, man. Ronaldo's wife is Argentinian. She even likes the post of Messi's wife saying happy birthday to Messi, aka for being the GOAT too. So what does that mean? Without Ronaldo realize his own wife still like, supporting her own people for sure. Just because you guys married. It's like this, right? If I'm married to a European and let's say my country is also like, on World Cup, of course I'm gonna support my country instead. It's like that. OMG, I love that shirt. I know, me too. Come on, bro. Why can't we just enjoy both of the goats? Yeah, we enjoy it. It's like, to be honest, from both of the goat side, they don't care. It's the fan itself. So I heard that Portugal make 5 goals, and they're like, oh, on TikTok, oh look who's the goat now? Who's the goat now? God is come back. Like, who cares, man? I never seen Messi got offended once, even if people, like interviewer, oh, what do you think about Ronaldo being called GOAT better than you? It's like, que bobo, que mira bobo. He's NPC in real life. So, man, I gotta find a way how to stop myself of being clumsy all the time. I hit my body every day, like, and I got a lot of bruises. Cause like my brain is like this, right? So this is bed frame. I wanna go there to the bathroom. Instead of like go straight and then turn left, I just like yeah, Will. Where do you live? Southeast Asia? In a home? In a house? I live in 3 different places to be honest already. But for working, I use this place for now. But I'm thinking to move it, which is like I'm gonna move my Wi-Fi. And yeah, let's see. Man, I don't know. I'm how can I say this? I'm so nervous. What if there's like a big business opportunity for me that I never thought I would get? Like literally, like a real legit business, okay? I don't want to jinx about it, but like I already had talked about this with the guy. Like probably can be my investor, potential investor. I'm scared.